While we were in there at one point, all of a sudden we heard what, again, it sounded like walking or somebody, shuffling, moving their clothes back and forth.
Wow. Upon investigating those sounds, we went to the next room, and while we were in there, I clearly saw through the window a figure walking by. I didn't see them pass the door.
That's the exact spot where people have seen through the window the wandering ghost walk by, exactly in that same spot by the schoolroom. Walking through with the tour group, literally looked out that window and saw him walk by the window. The entire tour group saw this along with one of the tour guides.
But you never told us that.
No, well, because there were so many reports of the wandering ghost, but hey, that's an interesting link to me, yeah.
So the next piece of evidence we're going to show you, Grant and I, again, were in the bakery area. While we were in there, one of the doors leading into the schoolroom, you're going to notice, it closes and then opens and then closes, slamming itself shut and latching itself. And I want you to pay attention to everything that happens here.